All you need to know about budget 2026. So there have been no changes to tax rates or long-term capital gains tax. Instead, the changes have been made to procedure. So number one, the due date for filing your ITR, if you have ITR 3 or 4, which is business income, that has gone from 31st July to 31st August, unless of course you're subject to audit, in which case it remains 31st October. Number two, revised return, the due date currently is 31st December. That is being taken to 31st March. So you get 3 more months to file the revised return. Number three, buybacks, they're currently taxed as business, as dividend income, which is slab rate. Now that changes to capital gains. So if you've held that share for more than 1 year, you only pay 12.5% in case of a buyback. Number four, TCS on health and education, that comes down from 5% to 2%. In case of foreign tours, it comes down from either 20 or 5% to 2%. Then in case of foreign assets, a new amnesty scheme has been announced. If you have failed to disclose foreign assets, you can do so in this window, and in many cases only a 1 lakh penalty will apply. In case of sovereign gold bonds, you will only get exemption on the capital gains tax if you have bought at issuance and held to maturity, not if you've done a secondary market purchase and sale. Then if you have bought real estate from an NRI, you had to take a TAN number and pay TDS. Now you still have to pay TDS, but you can do it just from your PAN number. F&O of course is the big one. So the securities transaction tax STT goes up from 0.02% to 0.5% on futures and 0.1% to 0.15% on options. And finally, prosecution provisions have been relaxed. So in most cases, it's going to be 2 years simple imprisonment rather than the earlier 3 or 7 years. So these are the procedural changes. If you have any comments, please put that in the comments, or you can ask me on our WhatsApp group.